Today's video is going to be about prepositions of direction. So I'm going to show you some visuals that you can do to help explain direction. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So I've got this map here, and we're just going to read the directions before we do the activity. You're going to fill in the correct preposition of direction to complete each sentence. And remember, prepositions of directions are into, out of, from, and towards. So those are the words we're going to be using today. If Elok stands at her house and faces north, she is looking blank Jin's front garden. So looking at this map here, and I've got a compass with the labels north, south, east, west here. If she's facing north, which preposition would you use in that blank there? You're going to use into. The sentence reads, if Elok stands at her house and faces north, she is looking into Jin's front garden. Let's read the second sentence. If Jin runs east from his house, he is running blank Sanchia's house. So again, looking at the compass, if Jin runs east, what preposition are you going to put there in the blank? The answer is towards. If Jin runs east from his house, he is running towards Sanchia's house. Elok walks blank her house in the morning to go to school. So again, what preposition are you going to put there? You're going to put out of. Elok walks out of her house in the morning to go to school. Let's look at the sentence below it. Sanchia walks past the school gate blank the school in the morning. So what word are you going to put there? What preposition? Into. Sanchia walks past the school gate into the school in the morning. Let's read the top sentence here. If Sanchia walks south, she will be walking blank school. So what preposition would you put there? Towards. If Sanchia walks south, she'll be walking towards school. And let's look at the sentence below it. David must walk blank school in the afternoons. So again, which preposition best fits here? From. David must walk from school in the afternoons. So for the bonus activity, I just want you to draw your own map with your house on it. So just like what I showed you earlier, just draw a map of your house and some stuff around it. And I left the compass down here, so you can use that for reference here. And then for this activity, you can do with a partner, or you can do this on your own. I know the directions are telling you to work with somebody, but just basically make up a couple of sentences here that talk about directions, and use the compass directions like north, south, east, west, and use the prepositions that we just went over as well. I just wanted to do an activity where you can do some prepositions, giving some directions, and just fill in the blank basically, and do a little bit of writing where you talk about where you live and how you would get to certain places, just like what I did in the video here. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.